What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews. Now, these just hit the market. These are the AirPods Pro, and you may need some accessories to help you make the best out of these. I got two right here for you. This one is by ESR. This one is by the company Moon. Let's check them out. So this is a very white, very glossy case, and you don't want to scratch this thing up. So what I recommend is a nice case. This is by the company ESR. I picked this up on Amazon. I'll be sure and drop a link below, but you can get this for about 12 bucks. It's fingerprint resistant, has a matte black edging that goes all the way around. You get a nice little keychain with it, and it's charging compatible. So all you do is you slide AirPods down in just like that. You got your ESR logo out front. You can still see that charging light, and then you're going to drop the top. So it's a two-piece case, but it does not come off. You don't have to worry about that coming. Now, I added this keychain because the one that they gave me was small, a little flimsy, but I like this one. Your back is going to still be exposed a little bit, and your pair button down here is nice and open. Also down bottom, you can still charge it up wired, or you can use this. This is the Moon wireless charger. Now, it's a nice fabric charger on top, non-slip material. You got your Moon logo. You got a 3-foot cable. It charges through USB, and they give you this USB as well as a brick to connect this with. You got non-slip on the back right there, so it's not going to slide around on the table. But when you put your AirPods on here, boom, they work. No issues whatsoever. So you're going to get a nice fast charge. This actually charges up to 10 watts. So it's not just a 5-watt charger. It goes all the way up to 10 watts. So you're going to get a decent charge out of this anywhere that you go and can plug a USB cable in. This Moon charger is going to run you about 39 bucks. Comes in 5 different colors. They got like red, pink, blue, white, black, and this gray color. But I think it's a really nice thing that you can get. So you just sit these on there and boom, there you go. So I'll drop links to both of these below so you can check them out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.